Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IS. In this series, the topic of discussion is 18th ASEAN-India Summit. Indian Prime Minister will virtually participate in the 18th ASEAN-India Summit to be held on 28 October at the invitation of the Sultan of Brunei. The conference is held annually and seeks to strengthen India-ASEAN connectivity. During this, the status of ASEAN-India strategic partnership will be reviewed. It will also take stock of the progress made in key areas including COVID-19 and health, trade, commerce, connectivity, education and culture. This is the 9th time that Mr. Modi will attend the conference. Important regional and international developments including economic recovery after the pandemic will also be discussed in this conference. Along with this, the Prime Minister will also attend the 16th East Asia Summit on 27 October, which was established in 2005. This summit is a forum led by prominent leaders of the Indo-Pacific. Apart from the 10 ASEAN members, the summit also includes India, China, Japan, Republic of Korea, Australia, New Zealand, the United States and Russia. In this summit, matters of regional and international interest and concern including maritime security, terrorism, COVID-19 cooperation are to be discussed. Leaders are also expected to accept declarations on mental health, economic recovery through tourism and green recovery. Note that the East Asia Summit started in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia in 2005. It included 16 countries at the time of establishment and India is the founding member. US and Russia joined in 2011. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IS Hindi YouTube channel.